So right now I have the steering and the suspension in Sport Plus mode, and as you can probably see, the ride is pretty bouncy, but in a good way. And if you're using Sport Plus mode, you know exactly what you're getting into with this. But I'm gonna dial both of them back to comfort. And for the most part, the seats are very snug, which can be appreciated for this being a BMW M4. This exhaust sounds really good, and that's one thing that I can say without a doubt BMW has down pat with this M4. So it's definitely not as fun without being able to shift yourself. And these shifts are lightning quick. Wow. That is incredible. Goodness gracious. Just great power all the way around. And this transmission is just rock solid. But the performance of this car is what most people are interested in, and that's really where this thing shines. And it really just makes you want to give this thing throttle all the time. Just knowing it's right there. And it really does drive like a manual. It just, gosh, it's so awesome. And that exhaust drone just does not get old. Gonna hold it for a second. Gosh, incredible, just incredible. And honestly, I was ready for power, but wow. I mean, this is just a great performing car, and that's what BMW is known for. But wow, oh, that felt so great. I want to do it again, but I can't. Gosh, this is just an incredible machine. Oh, that's so much fun. And it's raining, but the grip on here is really good. But I mean, this is just, When you feel those turbos throw you back, it just does not get old. It really doesn't. And I can't say enough why this transmission is so fun, because it really does drive like a manual. You can put it in automatic mode and it'll do all the shifting for you, but you just want to drive with the paddles. And for me, especially with how the car is set up, this is almost as fun as driving a stick shift. And what helps is really the shifts are just, you are shifting the car. There's no computer or anything holding your shifts back or telling you when you should or shouldn't be able to shift. Like, you're doing all the work. You're just not using your left foot. I mean, that's just doesn't get old at all. Does not get old. And that exhaust, it's just, it's so great. Yeah, this thing just, such great power. But that brings me to an end of my review of the 2018 BMW M4.